Welcome. There are many meditation videos on YouTube, and this is one of them. Thank you for being here. I'm Ram. This is Meditate with Ram, a collection of meditation videos floating somewhere between the cat videos, the conspiracy thumbnails, and whatever the algorithm thinks you need at 3 a.m. Here we just meditate. That's it. No drama, just Dharma and Karma. Today we're exploring karma. Karma is one of the most empowering, misunderstood and occasionally inconvenient teachings in Buddhism. If you've been following the series, welcome back. If you haven't, well, karma will catch you up eventually. Karma simply means cause and effect. Karma is not fate. Karma is not cosmic punishment. Karma is just the natural unfolding of actions and their results. And the heart of this meditation is very simple. Our actions matter. Our choices shape our futures. And personally, I need to create a determination to avoid non-virtue and to practice only virtue. So let's meditate on this, finding a comfortable posture, sitting upright, cross-legged, or in whatever position we can hold for 10 minutes. We don't want our body to think it's a hostage situation. As always, please don't meditate while driving, operating heavy machinery, or trying to cook pasta. Mindfulness is great, but burnt spaghetti is still burnt spaghetti. Allowing the eyes to close and bringing awareness to the breath. Feeling the gentle rise and fall of the breath in the body, maybe in the shoulders or in the belly. Noticing how the breath appears, stays for a moment and disappears again. So following the natural breath in and out. And if the mind wanders to plans, regrets, or the argument we keep replaying in the shower, that's fine. Simply label the thought, set it aside and return to the breath. We can label our thoughts as argument, regret, planning, whatever. Label it and put it aside, returning to the in and out of the breath. Bringing to mind our spiritual guide in the space before us. Perhaps an image of Buddha, perhaps visualizing a ball of radiant light. taking refuge in Buddha, Dharma and Sangha. In Buddhism, we understand that everything we think, say and do plants a seed in our mind, and every seed ripens in its own time. No action is wasted. Everything we think, say and do plants a seed in our mind. Karma is about responsibility. It's about recognizing that our inner world and outer world are shaped by our actions. Bringing to mind a time when we acted with kindness, even a small moment of kindness. Bringing this to mind and recognizing how it felt to be kind. How it still feels to be kind. Now thinking of a time we acted out of irritation or carelessness, anger, selfishness. Notice how that feels. This is what we mean by karma. These are the seeds that karma plants in our mind. Just the simple truth that actions leave impressions upon our mind. And in Buddhism, we believe that these seeds have the power to ripen in our future lives as new sufferings or experiences. So bringing to mind one area of our life where our actions really matter deeply. A relationship, a habit, maybe just the way we speak to ourselves. Asking in our heart, what seeds am I planting? What seeds am I planting? Are they seeds of patience or irritation? Are they seeds of generosity or grasping? Are they seeds of clarity or confusion? Letting the answers arise naturally. And so we can come to a conclusion. If I want happiness, I must create the causes for happiness. If I want peace, I must create the causes for peace. This is the essence of karma. So in meditation we can create a determination to practice only good actions. We try to create in our mind this determination to only practice good actions. And when we've found this determination, we hold it in our mind for as long as we can. For a few breaths, silently repeating this determination. On the inhale, I plant seeds of virtue. Then on the exhale, I abandon harm. So I plant seeds of virtue. I abandon harm. Thank you very much. We can now dedicate the positive energy we have created, perhaps by saying to ourselves, may my actions bring happiness. May my thoughts be gentle. May my words be wise. May I avoid non-virtue and practice only virtue. Good. Allowing our eyes to open when we're ready. Letting the body stretch and wiggle, or do whatever it naturally wants to do. Preferably something elegant, but knowing you, no guarantees. Thank you for practicing with me today. More meditations are on the way. If you'd like to go deeper, join my Patreon, link in the description, with longer practices and exclusive content. I'd love to look at how we can purify our karma, and we'll look at that on the Inner Light tier in Patreon. This is a growing channel and your support truly helps. Write a comment below, click like. These things really help me, so write what you liked about this meditation. You can also visit my website ramapani.com for more meditations, articles, spiritual goodies. Thank you. Go well in peace.